Bonjour, madam. Bonjour, madam. Bonjour, madam.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madam. Comment allez-vous? Madame. Yes, ma'am.
D'accord. Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, madame. Ça va bien, madame?
Ça va bien, merci, madame. Comment allez-vous,
Oh, d'accord, très bien.
Comment allez-vous?
Moi aussi, ça va. Okay, so
Hey, madam, I joined.
no problem. We just started. Okay,
Having
so
an-
you remember what did we learn in the last class? We learned how to greet in French, right?
Greet
Yes,
friend.
greetings in French we learn. And what will we say for greetings? What will we say for greetings in French? What is the word? One more time, louder.
Les
salutations. Les salutations means greetings. Then let me ask you, how will you greet your friends? How will you greet your friends? Salute. Très bien. D'accord. Then how will you greet your teacher? Bonjour. D'accord. Bonjour. Then now tell me, how will you ask, how are you to your friend? Listen to the question properly. How will you ask, how are you to your friend? How are you to your friend? Ça va.
Ça va or comment ça va?
Oui, très bien. It is ça va or comment.
Como ça va?
D'accord. Sarah, can you please mute your mic?
Sorry,
Because
madam.
someone's no problem. That's someone's mic is having echo. That is why. Now it's fine. Okay. So Sava or Como Sava, and that is how you ask how are you to your friend. Now, how will you ask how are you to your teacher?
Comment allez-vous?
Très bien.
Comment allez-vous, madame?
Très bien. So it is Como allez-vous? D'accord. Please keep your cameras on, otherwise I will not take class.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes, Hrudvi, I can see you, Hrudvi. Adidev, keep your camera on. Haira, Izan, keep your cameras on. Otherwise, I will not resume the classes. Today, now we are going to learn how to reply to these greetings. In which all ways we can reply to these greetings we are going to learn now. One you already know. In the French class, when I ask you, comment allez-vous, what will you reply? What will you reply when I ask you, comment allez-vous? Ça va bien, merci. Yes. So that we all, désolé moi. Ça va bien, merci. That is this one. And we already learned, right? Ça va bien, merci. We already learned. And the meaning of mercy. Qu'est-ce que c'est mercy? Thank you. Oui. So ça va bien, merci means very well. Thank you. Now, ensuite, qu'est-ce que c'est? This one, read this one.
Ça va.
What is the first one written on the board? Sava. Yes. So, if I use my, if I use the rising intonation, then that will be a, if I use the rising intonation, Sava, that will be a,
Fine.
if I am asking you like this, listen everyone and tell me what I said. Okay? Sava.
Fine.
No, that's not fine. Listen to the tone. Okay? Sava.
How are you?
Yes. This time I asked, how are you? I used the rising intonation. So when there is rising intonation, then that is a question. Okay? So that meaning is, how are you? If I am using the normal tone, Sava, then that will be reply fine. So understand the difference. If we put one question mark here, the meaning will be how are you? If you and use the rising tone, that will be how are you? If we remove this question mark and put one full stop over there and use the normal tone, then that will be reply I'm fine. D'accord? D'accord. So say ça va. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Ça va. Ça va means fine. Ça va means fine. Fine. D'accord. Ensuite, ça va mal. Ça va mal. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Oui.
Can you repeat?
Oui. Ça va mal.
Ça va mal.
Yes, here L is not silent. L we will pronounce. Ça va mal.
Ça va mal.
And qu'est-ce que c'est ça va mal?
Not.
Qu'est-ce que c'est ça va mal?
Not well.
Yes, everyone.
Not
Okay, repeat. Not well. Ça va mal means not well. If you are not feeling too well, listen. If you are not feeling too good, you will say not well, right? So you can say ça va mal. Ça va mal. So I'm going to ask you, please do reply with this one. D'accord? Comment allez-vous?
Ça va
mal. D'accord. So ça va mal means not well. Ça va mal means not well. Then ensuite, easy. Read this one, third one.
Ça va bien.
Ça va bien. This one also we already learned. This one also we already learned, and the meaning is very well.
Same meanings, but the only difference is when the mercy comes. Comes thanks.
Yes. When mercy comes, we are saying thank you, and without that, we are just saying very well. And I also told you that ça va bien, mercy, very well, thank you. And this is the appropriate response when someone elder is asking you how are you. If someone elder person is asking you how are you, then the most better appropriate response will be ça va bien, mercy. Mercy. By saying mercy, you are saying thank you, and that is how you show respect. That is how you show respect. So you have to say thank you, ça va bien, mercy. Suppose think that okay, chairman sir, you are in front of chairman sir, and chairman sir is asking you comment ça va. He asked you how are you. So how will you reply? Which one you will use?
Ça va bien, merci.
Ça va bien, merci.
Yes, very good. Ça va bien, merci. And you can also ask him also, right? How will you ask how are you to him?
Comment allez-vous?
Very good. Très bien. Comment allez-vous? That is the correct question to ask how are you to elders. Très bien. D'accord. Ensuite, then this one is pas mal. Pas mal. Pas mal means not bad. Pas mal means not bad.
The S is silent in the.
Yes, here S will be silent. Pa mal. Pa mal. Stretch it. Mal. And qu'est-ce que c'est pas mal?
Pas mal. Not bad.
Not bad. Pas mal means not bad. D'accord. Très bien. Ensuite, the last one, comme si, comme ça.
Comme si,
Comme ça.
And that means neither good nor bad. Neither good nor bad. Comme si, comme ça. That means neither good nor bad. You are not feeling too good, and also you are not feeling too bad. Your feeling is okay. Okay, your feeling is okay. So that time you can say comme si comme ça. Oui. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ma'am, when others ask how are you, if we want to respond like never better, what is the French word of never better?
Never better means like what is your exact emotion? Like you are feeling nice. You're feeling nice. According to that, you can choose any of these.
Ma'am, it's like never have been better, but it's good like that time.
Comme si comme ça you can use.
What is the French word of never better?
Never better. See, we don't have that for greetings and everything. We can't go with the word-to-word translation. It is not like that. See, now if you ask me what is the meaning of comme, there is no individual meaning for comme. Actually, the meaning of comme is like. Okay, but in this sentence, when I explain, like is not coming. Okay, so all these meanings individually, when we read this word, is having separate meaning. Individual words are having separate meaning, and in a phrase, when we see, it is having the meaning neither good nor bad. So I can't say the meaning of see is good or meaning of sa is bad. No, it is not like that. The same way, never better. Never, if we write the word never in French is jamais. The word for never in French is jamais. Okay, and for better, the word we are using is plus. Okay, so but together if we read these two words, but the meaning won't be never better. Okay, so that is why. Yeah, that is why I told this you can use any of the greeting from this, any of the responses from this. Dr. Riza?
Yes, ma'am.
D'accord. Okay, so you can repeat after me, everyone. Ça va? Ça va? Ça va mal? Ça va bien? Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça. Again, repeat after me. Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça. Oh, d'accord? Okay. Now, everyone got the pronunciations properly, or you want me to read again?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oui.
Ma'am, I have some construction works going on in my house, so can I mute?
Yes, sure. Okay. Anyone is having doubt in the pronunciation, or you want me to read again? Anyone? Yes, Hrudvi, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ma'am, I did not understand the last one.
Last one pronunciation is comme si, comme ça. Comme si, comme ça. The meaning is neither good nor bad. And that means you are not feeling too good and you are not feeling too bad. You are feeling okay. For that, you will say you can use comme si, comme ça. Like
normal.
Okay. Even not normal. Okay, something good is happening and something bad is also happening. Everything is mixing. Everything is going in a mixed way. So you can say comme si, comme ça.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oui, Manjima.
Ma'am, can you tell the pronunciation of the second one?
Sure. Pronunciations from the beginning. Everyone, you can listen properly. From the beginning onwards, I'm going to pronounce ça va. Just listen, okay? This time, everyone, you don't have me. Just listen. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça. Now this time when I read very slowly. I'm going to increase my speed a little bit and try whether you are able to follow that pronunciation. Ça va mal, ça va bien, merci, pas mal, comme si, comme ça. D'accord?
That's good.
Clear, right?
Yeah. Yes.
D'accord. Now, those who are ready to read got the pronunciations properly, they can click on the hand raise symbol. I will call them to read. And those who are not ready, they can listen and practice the pronunciation. And once you're ready, you can click on the hand raise symbol. So yes, those who are ready can click on the hand raise symbol. And one more thing, though all of you take your rough book. Take your rough book, everyone.
Ma'am, we have to write and study.
Yes, right.
How many times?
5 times along with the meanings.
Ma'am, the last.
And one more thing, when you write and study, don't don't avoid the accents. See, below the C there is laxo sedil. These accents are important. Sedil accent. Okay, don't omit it. Otherwise, it will be a spelling mistake and you will lose your marks there. We. So all of you take your rough book fast. Rough book, everyone. Aditi, you have your rough book in front of you?
Oui, madam, I took.
D'accord. Okay, everyone, start writing along with the meanings for 5 times. D'accord. Hrithvi, you can unmute and read.
Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal.
Ça va mal.
Comme si, comme ça.
Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal.
Mayu, can you please mute dear? Yes, Hrithvi, continue.
I'm finished.
Finished. Okay. Très bien, Hrithvi. Ensuite, Navneet.
Ma'am?
Oui.
Ma'am, why do you write this? Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça.
Très bien, Navneet. Ensuite,
should we put full stop after every French word?
First?
Ma'am, should we put full stop?
Yes, you can put full stop there.
Okay, ma'am.
D'accord. Siddhi, you can read.
Okay, ma'am. Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça.
Très bien, Siddhi. Ensuite, Zenika.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça.
Très bien. Ensuite, Srihari.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Ça va mal, ça va bien.
Not bien, ça va bien.
Bien, ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça.
D'accord. Très bien. Ensuite, Dia.
Oui, madame. Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien.
Ça va bien.
Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça.
D'accord. Très bien, Dia. Oui.
Même dictée.
I think Navneet lost network, lost the connection. Then Siddhi, read.
Here.
Siddhi.
Ma'am, she read already.
She read already. Yeah. D'accord. Mayu.
Sorry, ma'am, I was writing. I forgot to remove that.
No problem. Yeah, you will have dictation. You will have writing test. The next, okay, one more thing, children. In the next week, you will have a reading test. Next week, you will have a reading test. You have to prepare from page numbers. Okay, everyone, you have rough book in front of you, right? Just note down the page numbers. Page number 17, 19, 20, 21, and 22. 17, 19, 20, 21, and 22. You will have a reading test in the next French class. Okay? D'accord. And written exam also will be there in the upcoming weeks. According, we'll see the time, and I will tell you. I will inform you priorly when you will have the written test. D'accord. Oui, Mayuk, you can read.
Oui, madame. Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme si.
Comme si, comme
ça.
Comme si, comme ça.
Comme si, comme ça.
D'accord, d'accord, Mayuk. Ensuite, Dhanvin.
Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci.
Not
Pas
mercy, mercy. Mercy.
Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça.
Très bien, Dhanvin. Jenica, you finished writing? Did you write and study? Yeah, take your book and write and study. Ensuite, Adidev. Manav, write and study, Manav.
Madam, do we have page number 18?
No, page number 18 is not there.
Oh, madam.
Yes, yes, Adidev, read.
Okay. Kawa.
Not curse sound. Did you ever hear me reading Kawa? Adidev?
No.
There's a sound. Yes. Come on. Again.
Sawa.
Very good.
Sawa bia. Sawa bia mercy. Pamal. Komsi komsa.
Très bien, Adidev. Ensuite, Jhanvi.
Sava. Pamal. Sava bia mercy. Pamal. Komsi komsa.
D'accord. Très bien. Ensuite, Manjima.
Oui, madame. Ça va mal. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça.
Très bien, Manjima. Ensuite, Kirtana.
Yeah. Oui, madame.
Not oi. The word is we.
Oui.
Yes, we. Read.
Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça.
D'accord. Très bien, Kirtana. Ensuite, Riza. Riza.
Oui,
Read.
Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien.
Ça va bien.
Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça.
D'accord. Très bien, Riza. Ensuite, Aditi PS.
D'accord.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. How will you say in French? Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
D'accord. Read.
Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal.
Kumsi Kumsa.
Trebia Aditi. On with Manav.
Sava, Savamal, Savabia, Savabiamasi, Pamal, Komsi Komsa.
Trebia Manav. Is there anyone else to read? Manas read.
Sava, Savamal, Savabian, Mercy, Pamal, Komsi Komsa.
Trebia Manas. On with Ojas.
Sava, Savamal, Savabia, Mercy, Pamal, Komsi Komsa.
Dakko. Trebia Manas. Ojas. On with Dia.
Am I read?
You read. Dakko. Navneet Krishna, did you read?
Am I read?
Dakko. On with Felix, read. Felix, read. Felix, dear, unmute. Felix, yeah, read. I can hear you. Read, Ria.
Okay. Sava, fine. Sava Mal, not well. Sava Bian, very well. Sava Bian Mercy, very well. Thank you.
Small. S will be silent.
Pamal, not bad. Komisi Komsa.
Komsi Komsa.
Komsi Komsa.
Dakko Felix. On with Izan.
Sava, Savama, Savabia, Savabia Mercy, Pama, Komsi Komsa.
Pamal. Okay, L we will pronounce. Pamal. Dakko. On with Hyra. Hyra. Not able to hear, I think. Avantika.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Sava, Sava Mal, Sava Bian Mercy, Pamal, Komsi Komsa.
Dakko. Trebia. On with Maria.
Yes,
there your camera was off. Okay, Maria. If you are there, why are you offing your camera? Read.
Sava, Savamal, Savabia, Savabia Mercy, Pamal, Komsi Komsa.
Trebia. Now, children, I am going to take the attendance. Everyone will respond in friends itself. Dakko. Adidev Anil Kumar.
Present, madam.
Aryan S. Absent. Aditi PS.
From madam.
Present. Ashwal Krishna. Absent. Avantika. Present. Sarah Maria. Present. Devarsh. Absent. Dhanvin.
Present, madam.
Dia present. Felix present. Glenn Biju. Absent. Haira Fatima present. Hrudvi present. Izan present. Janvi
Present, madam.
present. Jenica present. Juan Paulson present. Kirtana absent. Manjima absent. Manas, present. Manav is present.
Manjima was there at the beginning and she read also.
Okay, Manjima read. Manas is present. Manas, yes, present. Manav,
Present.
present. Maria, Binu,
Present, madam.
present. Mayuk,
Present.
present. Nainika, absent. Navneet Krishna, present. Naznia, absent. Niranjan, absent. Ojas, present. Parvati, Riza,
Present.
Rudra, absent. Ryan, absent. Siddhi, present. Siddhi present, right?
Absent, madam.
Siddhi is absent. Okay.
Absent.
Siddhi absent. Srihari.
Ma'am, she was there in the beginning.
Who? Srihari?
Ma'am, she was there in the beginning.
Siddhi, right?
Present. Yes, ma'am. Present, madam.
Okay. Srihari is also present.
Madam.
Okay.
Srihari.
Yes. Tanvi?
Srihari.
Yes, Srihari, I marked. Tanvi? Absent. Unnimaya? Absent. So the names of absentees are Aryan S, Ashwal, Devarsh, Glenn, then Kirtana, after Kirtana, Nayanika, Naznia, Niranjan, Rudra.
Nayanika present.
Nayanika is present. Okay. Nayanika present. Then Rudra, Ryan C. Bijoy, then Tanvi, Unnimaya. These are the names of absentees. Okay. So I told you about the reading test. Please do prepare and come for that. D'accord?
Kirtana was present in the first time.
Kirtana. Okay. And Kirtana, I am not sure whether.
Madam.
Anyone else saw Kirtana? Anyone else saw Kirtana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kirtana was there. Okay.
And when will be the reading test?
In the next French class, next week.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. We'll see you in the next class. Prepare and come. Au revoir.
Au revoir.